Are 30mm spacers safe? These wheel spacers and wheel bolts are manufactured by BONOSS factory. Quality is guaranteed, customer interests are protected, and BONOSS assumes quality responsibility. The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut passed the SGS and TUV test report. The machine lug nut use 40 chrome material by continuously forging process. They have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The machine wheel stud use SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. This excellent performance stems from BONOSS professional and dedicated attitudes, evident by BONOSS logo on each product. In fact, wheel spacers, good or bad, determines the safety of spacers. There are only quality products that can ensure driving safety. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!